Okay, I just had to video this because this is the most ADHD car issue I've ever fixed. So I had a brake reservoir that was not sealing. It was leaking brake fluid onto my intake, which fouled my mass airflow sensor, which I was not happy about. I just replaced it, cleaned it, cleared the codes. It's good for now. You're gonna see inside of here, there's a little liner. So the clear plastic is a liner inside of the gray cap. And I'm trying to show you here. So you're going to notice right there, there's a locking post. On the other side, there's also a square locking post right underneath the hook there that holds it down. So what had happened is my liner had rotated 90 degrees, and as a result it would not seal. The cap would not seal at all. So I had to actually compare it to the cap from the other car to figure that out. Helps to always have just a spare car lying around. Make sure your cap is in good condition and it's assembled correctly. I can't believe I actually spotted that.